Okay, in this video we're going to talk about the Motional Pad control surface in the Roland Fantom. So this is a feature that allows you to set up four different sounds at four different quadrants of the screen, and you can use your finger to kind of fade between those. You may have seen something similar to this like on the Chord Chaos or Chaosilator Pro, which is kind of like a full touch control surface. And I believe there's a few other synths that have a feature like this. So anyway, let's click on A001 Piano Pad and then click on Motional Pad, and you can see it pulls up the screen here. So it's pretty simple layout. You have zone 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And if you wanted to, you could dial in a different instrument there, just like if you were doing it through the zone controls of the scene. Also, another thing here too is make sure that you have the additional zones 3 and 4 turned on, because if you don't, when you press the keys, you won't hear them. So whenever you press a key and basically you just move between these, you're going to be hearing the zone 1 in the top left, which is a piano, in the top right. It's like a modulated pad sound. In the bottom, it's kind of like a simple square wave. And down here in the right, it's like a voice sound. There's a couple other buttons here. There's one called Auto that'll move it automatically. That may be a little more interesting with four different synth sounds in there with different filters and things. Now you can't record this. It's kind of pre-recorded how the movement is. There's also a hold button. So this basically lets you return to 0, or the center point of the quadrant, whenever you let off the screen. And if you press, and if you have the hold button turned on, then wherever you drag this point to is going to stay there. You can also click on the edit button. You can change some of the fade parameters in each one of the quadrants. And also there's a Motional Pad button which turns on and off the control of the motional pad.